everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is going to be on this tropical vibrant makeup. I wanted to do something that reminded me of the beach since I really miss going to the Santa Monica Pier, but we're social distancing, so this is the closest I'm getting to the ocean for now. In times like these, you don't have to put on makeup, but it helps to have a creative outlet. This video was made in partnership with Revlon. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. I'm using all drugstore products for the eyes today, including the Revlon Colorstay Lookbook Eyeshadow Palette, Colorstay Micro Hyper Precision Gel Eyeliner, Triple Stepped Eyelash Curler, and So Fierce Mascara. First, I'm using my fingers to apply green and blue shimmer shadows in a gradient over my eyelids. These are from the Revlon Colorstay Lookbook Eyeshadow Palette in Play Air, which has 8 coordinated high impact shadows. I think this palette has a very tropical color story. I love this green teal combo. Next, I'm using the Revlon Colorstay Micro Hyper Precision Gel Eyeliner to do my winged liner. This is the most precise gel eyeliner I've ever used. If you're new to winged liner and don't want to use liquid liners, this is a good pigmented gel eyeliner you can play with. And if you're stuck at home right now, maybe it's time to finally perfect your winged liner. I'm next curling my lashes with the Revlon Triple Stepped Eyelash Curler and then applying the So Fierce Mascara. This is a great drugstore mascara that doesn't flake, clump, or smudge. Moving on to the face, I'm mixing my Pat McGrath foundation with my Too Faced one. I'm gonna conceal only my under eyes to create a clean base for the water ripples we're adding. This part was actually inspired by a photo I saw on Instagram from Mama McDoney. I'll link her info in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And using white face paint, I'm gonna first freehand some water ripples.
You make me feel so insecure. None of us choose what we adore. We're only human after all. I hope you don't think I'm a bore. I've never been this hard to please.
Next, I'm dipping back into the Revlon eyeshadow palette and using the same blue shade I used on my eyes to create dimension.
Oh, sunburn, it hurts, but we never learn to keep our distance. Don't turn away from me, 'cause pain is sweet from you, baby. Oh, sunburn, I'll kiss the shade then return. When you get kinder, tears stream down damaged skin, and us mere mortals never win.
I'm gonna use the frosty blue shade from the same palette to highlight other sections.
Faint metal sunrise on your tongue. I'll always be under your thumb. Let me curl up between your lungs so I can feel you breathing. Please don't say you're leaving, 'cause I don't feel like grieving. Never been this hard to please. Waiting for you to come see me. Sunburn.
Next, using a small brush, I'm cleaning up around the ripples with concealer.
Away from me, 'cause pain is sweet from you, baby. Oh, sunburn. I'll kiss the shade, then return when you get kinda. Oh, sunburn. It hurts, but we never let.
I'm finishing up the rest of my base by concealing and setting it. Using the same eyeshadows we used on the eyelids, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm also applying mascara to my lower lashes.
Baby, there's no pressure. This love is made for us, you'll see.
Next, I'm going to contour.
Fruit gets ripe and it's loved by 10 angels sing up above. It's never enough just to say your love stay. Fruit gets ripe and it's loved by 10 angels like to get rough. Truth and now when it gets too much, you need to make me.
I'm using a loose highlighter with a golden sheen for that sun-kissed glow.
You need to make me love stay down. I'll make it better. I'll make it better. I'll make it. You need to make me love stay. Slipping back into happiness 'cause you give me more time to live a life that seems like mine. You make me try.
To line the lips, I'm using the Buxom lip liner in Hush Hush and my Anastasia Pro Pencil.
'Cause you are so damn fine, and I'll skip into the sunlight with you. Skip back at midnight. I'll make it better for you. I'll make it better.
And for the lip shade, I'm using Huda Beauty's Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in Interview. Next, I'm applying falsies underneath my real lashes. These are doe lashes in the style Clout 9.
I'll make you need to make me love stay down.
Finally, I decided to try the Foxy Eyes trend again since I think it matches better with bolder looks. And this is the completed look.
Oh, sunburn. It hurts, but we never.
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again to Revlon for sponsoring this video. If you miss going outside, try doing a makeup look inspired by somewhere you want to go and tag me so I can see. Stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video.
When you